Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down, and search voicemail. Click on voicemail app. For example, this is voicemail app. Click on voicemail app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, search software update. After click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Edge 17 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.